Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to study a very interesting topic, a very important topic that will be on the risk. And I hope you all get everything whatever we have discussed in our previous video. Okay, student, one most important thing I want to suggest you, do more and more practice for your better result. Because in this life, there is nothing except practice. Without practice, we cannot get the knowledge of any subject. So you have to do more and more practice. I am just saying this word by my own experience. Okay, student. So this is a little thought from me, and it will improve your study in the future. So do and more practice. There is nothing without practice. So let's start our today's session, and here our first question is Samir and Madan ran a race. The first question is Samir and Madan ran a race. Samir covered Samir covered 210 meter 210 meter during the time during which time during which time Madan covered 180 meters. Madan covered 180 meters. What is the ratio of the distance? What is the ratio of the of the distance covered by Madan to that by Samir? Covered by Madan to that of Samir. To that of Samir. This is the given problem. So let us see what does the question say. Students, questions look like very easy, but as you think, not like that. Just read the question, then you will find what is the issue here. Samir and Madan ran a race. Samir and Madan ran a race. Samir covered 210 meters, during which time Madan covered 180 meters. Then what is the ratio of the distance covered by Madan to that Samir? Okay, so this is the question. In starting of the question, we can see that Samir is the first person. Samir is the first person. Samir is the first person. Okay, and Madan is the second person. Madan is the second person. But where the question asks, question says that what is the ratio of distance covered by Madan to that of Samir? But in the question, Madan is the first person and Samir is the second one. Therefore, whenever we find its ratio, we shall write the distance covered by Madan as first term and distance covered by Samir as second term. And here we get the result 180 ratio 210. 180 ratio 210. Okay, student. If you want to solve this ratio, then you can also write this in their simplest form. So 180 and ratio 210 is the right answer. Okay. So this is the ratio which is formed by the distance covered by Madan and Samir. So if we solve this ratio, then we can write 3 6 0 and first 0 and 0 become cancel out. And here we get 18 ratio 21. Now 3 6 18 and 3 7 21, and at last we get our required result 6 ratio 7. Therefore, 6 ratio 7 is the right answer. 6 ratio 7 is our correct answer. Okay. Now let us see our next question. The next question is find the ratios. Find the ratios in which the first is the first question is 2.6 meter to 64 meter. 64 meter. This is the given question. 2.6 meter to 64 meter. As I told you that the ratio is only possible when the unit are same. Since in this question the unit are same, but there is the complication is that the first term is given in decimal and the other term is whole number. So in order to find the ratio, first of all we shall write it as 2.6 ratio 64. Okay. In order to remove the decimal, we have to write it 26 upon 10 is to 64. Now it become whole. So it can be also written when. Now we shall find its lowest term. So divide it by 2. 32 is a 26 and 32. So here at last we give 13 upon 10 is to 32. Now again here you can see that the denominator having the 1 0 So it may be written as 1.3 ratio 32. Therefore 1.3 ratio 32 is the right answer. 1.3 is to 32 is the right answer. Okay, student. Now let us see next question. The next is 50 rupees to 80 paise. 50 rupees to 80 paise. This is the given question. Since the both terms have different units, therefore ratio is not possible. So first of all, we have to make the same unit of the both term. So here we get 550 multiplied by 100 paise is equal to 5000. Therefore, 5000 ratio 80. 10 and 10 cancel. 500 5 and 5, sorry, 8 1 8. 8 5 is 40. 8 6 is 48 and 8 5 is, first of all, let me write this like this. 0 and 0 cancel out and don't cut them. And here we get 500 ratio 8. You can divide it here by actual division. 500 divided by 8. 8 6 is 48. So here we get 2 and 1 0. Sorry, 20. 20 is not divisible by 8, so just divide it by 4. 2. 2 4 are 8 and it becomes 250. Again 2 2s are 4 and 1 2 5. So here we get the result 125 ratio 2. 125 ratio 2 is the right answer. 125 ratio 2 क्या होगा सबसे clear. Okay student, I hope it is clear. Here first of all we have to change rupees into paise. Since we know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise, therefore we multiply 50 by 100, we get 5000. Now both quantity have the same unit, therefore we shall find its ratio, and after solving we get 125 ratio 2 is the right answer. Now let us see the next question. Convert into integer. Convert into integer. This is the given question. Here some ratios are given. We have to convert this ratio into ratio of integer. So let's convert them. So the first question is 1 upon 4 ratio 5 upon 6. This is the given question. And in this question, we can see that the ratio are given in fraction and we have to change them in integer. Since we know that ratio is the divisor, therefore they can be written in division form like this: 1 upon 4 upon 5 upon 6. Okay, and when it goes to upside, it becomes 1 upon 4 multiplied by 6 upon 5. It is equal to 1 upon 4 multiplied by 6 upon 5, and 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So here we get 3 1s are 3 upon 2 5s are 10. So it can be written as again 3 ratio 10. Therefore 3 ratio 10 is the right answer. Okay, students, if somebody asks how did you solve, then you will say that we know that ratio means division. That is why these two ratios can be written as in their fractional form. And after solving this fraction, we get this fraction becomes its reciprocal when. So this is the division form of the ratio, and when we solve it means when we change the division into multiplication sign, it becomes the fraction 5 upon 6 can written in their reciprocal form, and after solving this we get 3 upon 10, which is the required result. And since the ratio can be written in fractional form, and therefore the fraction can also be written as 3 upon 3 ratio 10. Therefore 3 ratio 10 is the right answer. Okay, students, so I hope the question is clear how to solve such type question. Sometimes the question asked in the decimal form also. Decimal form of this question, of such type question, is very simple. Here the first question is 0.5 ratio 0.8 change in integer. Change in integer. Okay. Since in the both term the place of decimal are same, means the number of digits on the right side of decimal are same, therefore it can be written as 5 upon 10 ratio 8 upon 10, and from both sides 10 become cancelled out and we get 5 upon 8. Therefore 5 ratio 8 is the right answer. 5 ratio 8 is the right answer. Okay, students, there is a question I am giving you for a homework. So please note this question and try to solve at your home. At your home. So this is your question. 2.3 ratio 9.3. You have to solve at your home. This is your homework. Okay. So student, I hope everything is clear. If you have any doubt, then please go to the comment section and mention your doubt. I will clear in my next video. Till then, goodbye.